Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 101 of building the Batmobile Tumbler from Hachette. Let's look through the magazine, and then we'll get on with doing the front side that we did last time on the other side. Seems like a while ago, but it wasn't that long ago, really. So, yes, looking at the Batmobile of 2039. First appearance in Batman Beyond. Is that a fly? That's very strange looking, but there we go. Yeah, there we go. Joker Unleashed, Death of Family. All good stuff there. If you want to pause and read all about it, you obviously are more than welcome. So this is what we're going to be doing. The explosive reactive armor and cylinders for your tumbler. This is the front right armor piece. So we've got to make up the little clips that go on to hold the bits in place, then attach that, and then attach the whole thing on there with a couple of screws, and then clip the final piece in place over the end there, finishing off the whole of the front armor, really. We've just got the cockpit assembly to put in and the back wheels and stuff to put on. Apart from now, we've got, next time, the back plate with fuel valves and gauges, because you need more gauges outside because there's not enough inside. So, yeah, this is going to be finishing off the car piece, and then we're going to start another sub-assembly next time. So let me clear this all out of the way, and we'll get right to it. Right, so here we have our right side piece. That's the cover that's going to go over the top of that once it's attached. So we don't need that for a little while. What we are doing first of all is attaching these to the outside pieces here. What have we got? If we got that way round, E, which is the shorter one, is at the top. So that's that top one that goes on there. Like that. The bottom one goes on the bottom one. And these two little clips, which we can just twist off, are what holds those in place. Now, this is the tricky bit. I think I might need to use a pair of tweezers to get that in on there. So we need to get that lined up in the right place, the right depth. Get that twisted round the right way on there. A bit like that. It's going to be one of these that's going to be just a trial and error until I get it just set up right. And when it is set up just right, just a case of clipping it over. And that will, it is a C-clip. I'll say it's like a C-clip. It is exactly like a C-clip because that's what it is. It's a clip and it's C-shaped. And that will ping off over there. Right, let me get both of these attached and then bring in the car itself to get that fitted in place on there. So I'll see you in just a sec. Right, there we go. We've got both of those attached in there with little clips holding them in place. I've got the screws ready to attach it and those ready as well. That's the first thing we're going to do. That pops onto that way round onto there like that. They just go over those little nodules like that and like that. This is the reactive bit of the reactive armor, I believe. Just pushes in place. There we go. That's the inside of that looking good. Then we need the car itself, which I've got here. Let's see how I'm going to get that there. Just like we did over on this side. The bit we've got now is to go onto there. So that lines up on there. These two line up into the piston pieces that we've got here. So it's a case of manipulating everything while doing everything. So if we can get one of them in there. Come on, in you go. That one in there. No. Anyway, that one in there and that one in there. And then I can manipulate it round to get the plate in the right place. And the 2 screw holes to line up onto there. A bit like that, so it mirrors this side. But it's going to be the hole trying to get everything lined up and connected up all at the same time. So let's try that lined up down the bottom there. Right, that's the 2 screw holes lined up. I might be able to get these done just by sort of bending and twisting. No, I don't think I will. Well, there's one of them. The other one. No, missed the hole. I missed it. There we go. That's that in there and that in there. Now it's a case of getting the holes lined up again. And I can't even see where they are now. It's around there somewhere. That's got to be there. Ooh, I think I nearly had it. That's feeling like the right sort of place. No, that's too far forward, I think. Right, let me play around with this and get that lined up and get at least 1 screw in, and then we'll come back and attach it all together. Okay, there we go. That is that attached, the 2 tubes connected. So hopefully when this wheel moves a bit, yeah, there you go. You've got a bit of movement to the whole suspension and the pistons. The last thing to do is to snap in place our cover, which once I get it lined up properly, there you go. Finishes off that quite nicely. I think that's basically from there forwards. That's all done now. So we're all okay. It's all working. That one wheel is still got a lot of play to it. I've tightened it up as best I can, but well, there is some on that one as well. But I don't know. But the steering is working now. I've corrected that, so it's all good, and I'm not getting it back apart again. So there we go. That is that. Another issue completed. I do like how it's coming together. It's really starting to look nice. I put the cover over the top just to see how that looked good, and yeah, it's good, but we've still got all the wiring up to do on that. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for joining me. Next time I don't need the whole thing out. We're just building a little sub-assembly for the next few issues. So I shall see you very soon for that. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.